Thanks.
Bubbling?
Yes. Abort.
Should do it. I made a mistake with the LED lights that I bought. I knew these were going to be colored, but the main thing I bought them for was white, and there is no white. There's red, which is pretty cool. Green, blue, that's nice too. White is what I wanted. That is not white, but I guess maybe they consider all of the lights coming on as white. The plan is to put them down the sides on each corner there, but yeah, that's not white, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. But the rest of the car has been wired. I finished wiring everything. Everything's gonna run on the switch, right here. You got your interior lights up there, your floodlights, and then this is gonna work the winch. So that's all done. It's gonna be ready for a car here pretty soon. Not just yet. I still have to do, like I said, the floor, the major thing being the floor before I can stick a car in it. Then I can worry about the carpeting inside. Then we can start on the mechanical stuff as far as the wheel bearings and the wheels. And then we'll be done. So we're almost there. Midday update time, because things are moving pretty rapidly here. I had to replace this bottom piece, this last section down here, because it was actually already broken up right there. Funny story, I had lost my wedding ring right there in the crack a long time ago when I accidentally left it on the core support of the Trans Am, and it ended up falling when I loaded the car, and it fell there, and I couldn't find it for a week, and I ended up finding it a little bit. Long story short, I lost my wedding ring and it ended up being in my enclosed trailer. We've replaced this bottom section. I did end up cutting it a tad short, so we need to make one extra piece that's going to go down there. But for the most part, it's looking real good. We're trying to finish up the last two little bolts there. We got the battery on charge. I'm going to screw down the last little screws there, and then we can start prepping the floors. We've already started sanding, filling in some spots. It's sanded a lot more than it was, but this is pretty close to where we're going to start painting. The winch, all the winch and the tie down hooks have been taken off, so we can get that painted. And yeah, that's it. We're gonna get started here pretty soon. Got the kit up here that we're gonna use. We're gonna attempt to paint these floors with this rock solid pearl black kit. See how that comes out. It should just roll on, but we'll see. Well, I've already finished the top, and we went ahead and put on the side molding, and then put my LED strips and wired it all up. Everything's functioning there. I'll show you guys a little later. As for the ramp, I'm not gonna paint the ramp. I decided to do carpet on the ramp instead. We'll have to get another piece of carpet and make sure that it's glued and stapled down so that it's secure. Did you get it?
That's it.
That's it, huh? Well, it definitely didn't soak up that well. I knew I should have probably put a primer down first, but oh well. So what we're gonna try to do is put a second coat in. This is just sunlight. We're gonna try to put a second coat on and see if it'll cover a lot better. The top here seems to be covered pretty good, but the bottom still needs work. check that out, ladies and gentlemen. We have about 90% finished trailer. The ramp's done. I gotta fix this still, but we're working on that. All my trim pieces have been installed and finished. We got our LEDs up shining. I went ahead and bought new straps, black ones, which we'll get here pretty soon. And our ramps are now secured against the wall, so they're not in here flopping around everywhere. So yeah, I thought that was pretty cool too. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I am super happy with the way this thing has turned out so far. We're about 90% done. There's still a lot more work to do, but it's all the little stuff. I was thinking about putting the Bullet WS6 sticker up on that black portion that's hanging over there, and maybe some outside from the edge over. I'm gonna have to get with my buddy Craig and see if he can hook me up on some the Bullet WS6 decals to go up there. But yeah, come look at the trailer.
Can you not?
Shout out to my homie Harry Charbonier. It sure does, doesn't it? LED shining. No, no, that was gonna be black the whole time. The reason I went black there is because the wall is white and the carpet is like a lighter gray, so black was a perfect color to kind of separate those two, right? I've been itching to wait till it's really dark outside. It's practically nighttime now, and really want to try these LEDs out, try them out in a dark setting to see how they perform. So let's get the truck on and we'll light it up. All right, here we go. Really dark in there. First thing first, do. Little man's already getting in there. second light. Boom. Super bright. Brights up about an area like from here forward, which will be perfect because we can roll the car in right here. This is the brightest spot of it all, and yeah, that's pretty bright. Should light it up pretty good instead of sitting in pitch black darkness.